My name is Julie Donohue, and I'm a professor and chair of the Department of Health Policy and Management. So I have three broad areas of research expertise that often overlap. So I'm a behavioral health researcher. I focus a lot on substance use disorders and mental illnesses. I'm also very interested in Medicaid and Medicare policy. And my final area of research is pharmaceutical policy. I really got into this business of health policy research because I wanted my research to lead to policy changes. I wanted to inform evidence-based policy. So our work has led directly to policy changes at the state and federal level. So we've had a lot of impact in the opioid arena. Some of our work with Pennsylvania Medicaid has led directly to delivery system reforms. For example, the Pennsylvania Department of Human Services created a financial incentive for hospitals to create warm handoff programs so that people coming into emergency departments for overdose or opioid use disorder were helped to engage in outpatient treatment after they left the hospital. Our work has also led to changes in federal legislation to address the opioid crisis. I think the advice to graduate students is often to specialize and become expert in a particular area. And I think that's very important to do early in your career. You want to amass a body of knowledge and expertise in an area. But I think sometimes people can get a little bit too blinkered when they just focus on one thing. So I would encourage students to try to learn from people working in different areas, whether that's policy or management. I think we can learn to bring new perspectives to our work by kind of getting out of our comfort zone some of the time. I think it's an incredibly collaborative place. I think it attracts a very friendly group of people who are easy to approach, easy to talk to, and easy to get to know. So I would never hesitate to encourage students to reach out to people to ask for help because I think there are a lot of helpers around and people who really want to see our students thrive.